After hundreds of requests, the intro text tutorial is finally here.
First, you need to take a blank photo and then go to the background and change it to green neon type of color. Now go to the Canva and pick this option out. Go to the text and type your sentence fully. Pick what type of font or glow or anything you want. I really don't recommend you to use glow because it doesn't look good. After that, copy the text and do like I'm doing. So basically you have to write each word of the sentence and put it there like I'm doing. You're supposed to do this to every single words. A quick reminder, if you want to highlight any words or anything, you have to change the color like I'm doing. And the result should look like this. After that, you have to delete the main text we did in the first. And now we have each word. Now go to the animation and pick fade in for every words. After that, you are supposed to trim the word by word according to your voice, lyrics or whatever thing you're editing like I'm doing, okay? As you can see, I'm trimming it out according to the voice I have. And the ending should look like this. Now you need to export the video. Now before you skip because you think you already know how to add an overlay, trust me, this is the part that makes it look good. And if you are still thinking about skipping, don't complain to me about low quality. At first, you obviously need to import the overlay. Go to the cutout, choose the chroma and adjust it. Now add 2 keyframes, one at the beginning and one at this part. And on the second keyframe, you have to zoom in the overlay. You can zoom in according to you because it depends on the person's perspective. So yeah, go to the animation and choose fade out. Next step is really important. So go to the effect and choose blur. Make it till the end. Go to the object and change it to overlay. Lower the value of the blur a bit. Go to overlay and copy the overlay. Now you can go to the blend and choose dodge and your quality will increase for sure.